Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a recipe for you for Keto Low Carb Churros. Yes, things that you remember when we used to go to the fun fairs and we used to buy a packet of churros. Well, I've replicated it the Keto Low Carb way. Let me show you one of them and what it looks like. Lovely cinnamon sugar on top. Let me break one open and show it to you inside. And so we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a blender and put in 1 cup of almond flour and 1 cup of hot water. Give it a good blend. Now we add another cup of warm water. Now you put it into a nut bag and squeeze out all the almond milk that comes out. That's your bonus recipe. We are going to be using the husk. So we put that into a bowl, and to that we are going to add some xanthan gum. So let me just pull it all out of the bag. That's your bonus recipe. So now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. Give it a good mix and start kneading it. And 2 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice and knead again. And now I'm going to crack in 1 egg. It will be a bit gooey and look like the dough is breaking up. And that's the time to add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Give it all a good kneading and allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I've taken a Ziploc bag and I am going to be piping it. My piping skills are not that good. So if you have one of those piping bags which have the serrated, the cone that goes onto it, you will get the perfect churros. I'm just using a plain bag, snipping the top of it off. And now this was my mistake. I used lard. Please don't use lard, use butter. That is what is going to make these churros nice and buttery. So we are going to be frying this. And of course, not even more than 30 to 40 seconds on each side. As you see, they are cooking, as they are frying, they're turning a lovely light brown. Don't allow them to get too dark in color. Flip them around, let the other side cook. And while they're cooking, I've made a mixture of cinnamon and sweetener. And while the churros are warm, I'm rolling them in it. And you're ready with your amazing churros. See those bad boys. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press